Hurricane passed. Power's back on. But your appliances aren't working. Here's what to do. If appliances were plugged in during the storm, power surges during outages and restoration are the most common cause of post-hurricane appliance failure. The surge fries control boards, compressors, and electronic components. Signs of surge damage: the appliance is completely dead. Display shows errors it never showed before. The appliance starts but behaves erratically. You hear clicking but nothing runs. What to do: check your circuit breakers first. Surges can trip breakers. Reset them. Try unplugging the appliance for 60 seconds, then plugging it back in. This hard reset can clear some temporary electronic issues. If that doesn't work, you need a tech to diagnose which component the surge damaged. Most commonly it's the main control board. Board replacement runs $200 to $500 depending on the appliance and brand. If appliances were flooded, any appliance that had water enter its electrical components should not be plugged in. Water in motors, control boards, and wiring creates short circuits and fire hazards. A tech needs to inspect, clean, and dry all electrical components before powering on. Flood-damaged appliances may be a total loss. Water damage to motors and compressors is often irreparable and not cost-effective to fix. Insurance claims: document everything with photos before cleaning up. Most homeowner policies cover storm damage to appliances. Post-hurricane appliance repair. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.